Every shipyard shares the same goal: safe operations, predictable dockings, and people who go home safely at the end of the day. At Syncrolift, we believe one thing: knowledge equals safety. When crews understand the operation, risk goes down and performance goes up. That's why we built the Syncolift Academy. Through theoretical and practical hands-on training, we align dockmasters, operators and managers and technical teams around one common way of working. Focus on safety, predictability and control throughout the docking process. The Academy delivers structured training for shipyard teams, covering all from safety checks, operations, equipment maintenance and awareness, and the full docking workflow. As an approved training provider by Lloyds, the quality and delivery of Syncolift Academy training courses is certified to a recognized standard and stated objectives. The result? Fewer surprises, smoother operations and a safer, more efficient shipyard every single day.